KAS target $0.055 after breaking key price hurdle. These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to Crypto Speaker. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around KASPA, this is the place for you. Let's talk about price KASPA. As of March 19th, 2026, the global cryptocurrency market cap is $1.06 billion, with a plus 5.13% change in the last 24 hours. KAS's current price is $0.0405, with a 24-hour trading volume of $43.2 million. KAS is plus 2.7% in the last 24 hours, with a circulating supply of 26.78 billion KAS coins and a maximum supply of 28.70 billion KAS coins. KAS ranks 52 by market cap. It has a 24-hour high of $0.04168 recorded on March 19th, 2026, and its 24-hour low so far is $0.0375887. KASPA has shown positive momentum recently, with price gains around 6 to 11% in the past days and active ecosystem developments, including a new partnership supporting meme trading. Technical indicators suggest a mixed but cautiously optimistic short-term outlook. Let's analyze the price of KASPA. KASPA is hard to ignore these days, as it has pumped more than 10% in the past day, sending the prices towards the $0.039 mark. Although Bitcoin has been moving slowly, the KAS prices are gaining momentum, driven by both fundamental and technical factors. The big question now is simple. Is this just a short-term pump or the start of something bigger? What's driving the KASPA pump? The recent move doesn't look random. A few strong catalysts are aligning at the same time, giving KAS a solid foundation for its current momentum. One of the biggest drivers is the shift in regulatory sentiment. Signals from the SEC are gradually reducing fears that KAS could be classified as a security. Instead, it's increasingly being viewed under the digital commodity narrative, which helps boost investor confidence and removes a layer of uncertainty. However, the technical structure has improved. The KASPA price broke through the important $0.035 resistance level with strong trading volume, and this is often viewed as confirmation of buyers' conviction to buy the asset. This breakout may be a strong one. However, we should not ignore the fact that the crescendo upgrade will allow KASPA to process up to 10 blocks per second. This will definitely improve the efficiency of the network, making it more suitable for long-term adoption. Moreover, we should look at the on-chain data, as approximately 50 million KAS tokens were moved out of exchanges in just one day. This kind of behavior usually points to growing confidence in future price appreciation. Here's what the KASPA chart is showing. The chart itself supports the bullish narrative. For a long period, the KAS price was stuck in a clear downtrend, forming lower highs under a descending trend line. That structure has now been broken, which is often one of the earliest signs that a trend reversal could be underway. After breaking out, the price didn't immediately spike. Instead, it formed a base around the $0.03 region, showing signs of accumulation. This kind of consolidation is important because it suggests the market is building support before attempting a larger move. From the current structure, the KASPA price is already pushing toward the $0.036 level, which is acting as the first key target. If momentum holds, the next major area to watch sits around $0.052. That zone represents a much larger upside move and aligns with the projected breakout path seen on the chart. The highlighted demand zone also adds confidence to the setup. This is where buyers previously stepped in, and the recent bounce from that region suggests the market is respecting it again. What about KASPA catalysts? KASPA has been one of the stronger movers around the time U.S. regulators signaled that most crypto tokens are not securities. CFTC issued a 68-page interpretation that divides digital assets into categories such as digital commodities, digital tools, digital collectibles, stablecoins, and digital securities, with only the last treated as securities under SEC rules. A Yahoo Finance recap highlights that the document explicitly names many large protocol tokens like BTC, ETH, Sol, ADA, and others as digital commodities, and clarifies that mining, staking, and many airdrops are not securities transactions. Separate coverage notes a proposed safe harbor period for new projects to decentralize and raise capital with tailored disclosures rather than facing immediate how KASPA traded around the news. Market wrap pieces on the day of the announcement show KASPA listed among the top gainers in the top 100, even as most coins fell on macro worries, with one outlet flagging KAS as a standout while majors were red in that session. A separate technical piece reports KASPA jumping about 30% from roughly $0.030 to near $0.040, reaching a 51-day high on surging volume and derivatives open interest, but also pushing the RSI above 85, a classic overbought signal in that analysis. As of now, KASPA trades around $0.040076 with about $1.09 billion market cap and a more modest 24-hour change of plus 1.08% on $39.97 million volume. What does that mean? The guidance seems to have helped sentiment at the margin, but KAS has also run into short-term stretch technicals where consolidation or pullbacks are common. What do you think will KASPA continue to grow? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Subscribe to the channel to be the first to get the latest news about KASPA and other cryptocurrencies. This has been Crypto Speaker. Thank you for your